So in this Ndax tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to trade crypto here on Ndax. So once you guys open up Ndax right here, what I want you guys to do first and foremost is add some funds to your account. So you can go to the very bottom, select the middle circle icon, press on add funds, and then you can add some funds to your account. So you can add crypto assets, you can add fiat assets. So for example, if I wanted to add some Canadian dollars, you can do this through e-transfer or wire transfer. Then once your account is funded, you are good to proceed. So once you're here, go to the bottom left to where it says trade, and then you can find a bunch of different cryptocurrencies right here. You can also just go ahead and search a cryptocurrency if you want. So if you wanted to go ahead and type in Bitcoin, for example, you can go ahead and see Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC, and then select it. It'll then bring you to this page right here, and once again, if you wanted to go to the top left, you can adjust the crypto that you're buying, but as I mentioned, I will use Bitcoin for this example. Once you're here, in the bottom left, it says buy. Go ahead and select that. Then on this page right here, you can go ahead and make sure that buy is selected or sell is selected. Once that is done, below that it says market. You can go ahead and choose the order type. So a bunch of different ones right here. I will keep it at market order type for this example. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and adjust this through the order size in Bitcoin or the order size or the order value. So for example, if I wanted to buy $10 worth, it'll show you the market price, the order total, the fees, as well as how much is received. And if this looks good to you, for me where it says insufficient funds, it'll actually say buy. So if I were to go back here, it'll say buy Bitcoin. You can do that. It also works for other Bitcoins as well. So if I were to go back here and select Ethereum, you can do the exact same thing. Press buy, do your type of order, and then proceed with buying it that way. So that is how you guys can trade crypto here on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.